Hi foodies, I don't know about you, but I love some Chick-fil-A sauce and Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A. So I attempted to make my own Chick-fil-A sauce. Well, this is my version. I hope you guys like it. It might be slightly different, but it's good. Let's get into it. First, I have some mayonnaise. Then I'm going to be adding some honey mustard. If you don't have honey mustard, then use yellow mustard with some honey. Then some barbecue sauce, some Dijon mustard, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then just give this a whisk. It's pretty easy. Then when all of this came together, I did give it a taste and it was delicious, guys, but it needed a little more color. I didn't want to add any more yellow mustard because that would change the taste too much. So I added a little turmeric for color. And you know what? It worked. I just added a little, tasted it. I did not taste any turmeric at all. So I added a little more for more color. And then it was perfect. This is delicious, guys. So you know what? I tried my best. It isn't Chick-fil-A sauce, but it tastes pretty close and it tastes pretty good. So try it. Have it with your fries or your nuggets or your fried shrimp or even on a sandwich. I had it with some crispy fried shrimp. You could even have this with chicken wings. It is delicious. Let me know what you think when you try it, guys. All right. I'll see you next time.